Hey guys, this is 𝐓𝐸𝐬𝐬 with another tutorial whether how you can enable or disable professional mode on your Facebook profile. So to enable professional mode, sign into your Facebook account and go to your main profile by clicking on your profile icon. Here click on this ellipsis icon and then find and click on turn on professional mode. Here click on turn on and remember, the moment you will click on turn on, you also accept the Meta's commercial terms and condition, which you can read in full by clicking on this link. Anyhow, here it's informing you whether what you will get by turning on professional mode, which ultimately will help you to define your audience, explore professional tools, celebrate your wins, and especially learning about monetization tools. Then click on next. Here it's suggesting you to keep the visibility of your posts to public so that your content can be shown to a wider audience, including your followers. Then click on next. Here select your audience and I'm selecting public so that anyone can see my content. And if you want Facebook to show your content to only your friends or really specific audience, you can select either of these two. Then click on next. Here click on confirm if you are fine with the settings Facebook did for you. And if you are not, you can click on edit settings and change these settings according to your needs. Since I'm perfectly fine with that, I'm clicking on confirm. Now it's informing you about the monetization tools you can get eligible to start earning from on Facebook. Then click on next. Well, with the professional mode turned on, it will give you access to your profile dashboard where you can not just check the stats of your content, but also it gives you access to resources for creator education and support, which will help you to manage and grow your profile effectively. Then click on next. Here it will just add a frame to your profile picture. Then click on next. Now your profile has just been converted to professional mode. Now click on go to professional dashboard where you can see the weekly tasks to complete to grow your profile. Anyhow, go to your profile page and just refresh it. And here you can see that it gives you professional dashboard option where you can check whether how well your profile is doing. Anyhow, if for some reason you want to turn off the professional mode, you sure can. Just click on this ellipsis icon and then find and click on turn off professional mode and then click on continue. Here it's letting you know whether what will remain the same and what will not if you turn off the professional mode. And if you really want, just click on turn off and then close it. Now just refresh your page and it will remove your access from your professional dashboard. And this is how you can enable or disable professional mode on your Facebook profile. And I hope this will be helpful for someone out there, and thanks for watching.